What is up, everyone? We're back here for, I'm really excited, probably our final build video here of our 2015 CRF 450. So you can see I've got everything laid out here. Graphics are all installed. The bike is outside. We actually have our our fork guards are on already, so that's pretty cool. We've got our tank stickers on. We've got our, oh boy. Well, Justin's actually not wrenching today on this bike. We're actually filming two videos at once. So Justin's working on the CR 250, and I'm gonna. Okay, great. And I am working on the 450 here. So by the end of the day, this thing is gonna be rolling down the road here. Hopefully, that's the plan. So there we have it. She's basically done. I have a couple little touch-up things to do here. I'm gonna put some fluids in it, and we're gonna fire up, make sure she runs, and then she's going in the trailer for the winter. But man, I'm super pumped on this turnout. How this turned out. Ugh, can't talk today. Let's just check this out. Let's do some juicy slow-mo here to check this out.
New X on me right. New X on me right. I might spin it, 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 New X on me right. New X on me right. I might spin it, 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 Buy an island once I get the advance. Buy an island just to give me a tan. Count money with my feet in the sand. I do what I want, that's beyond what I can.
Alright, so that's it. A little over a year to do, but we finally got her done. She's finished. She runs up and down the road. We did think we still had a coolant leak. However, we figured out I just put too much coolant in it. But needless to say, she's done, she's ready, so she's about to go in the trailer for the winter, go to sleep, and then we'll bust her out in the spring, because unfortunately it is November 7th, and this is one of our last really nice days. And when it gets this late in the year, it's hard for me to justify riding, because you have such a short window with the daylight out as to riding, as well as getting everything washed and put away. So thanks for tuning in, Justin. Thank you.
No problem, buddy. No problem.
She's finally done.
Finally.
Thanks for watching. See everyone on the next one.